Welcome to the top best. The best tabletop trees is probably one of the most delightful ways to infuse the holiday spirit into any space, especially when you're working with limited room. These miniature marvels bring all the joy of a traditional Christmas tree, but in a compact, manageable size. Whether you're decking out an apartment, sprucing up an office, or simply looking for a festive touch, the right tabletop tree can make all the difference. Number 5. Best Choice Products 15 inches Ceramic Christmas Tree. Introducing this charming mini ceramic Christmas tree, perfect for your holiday decorations. It features a beautifully hand-painted, glossy finish, adding a touch of elegance to any space. This tree comes pre-lit with 64 festive light bulbs. You can choose from white, multicolor, red and white, or 2-in-1 white and multicolor options to brighten up your holidays. It's also adorned with 2 7-pointed star toppers, adding a classic touch. Note, Sky 3037 comes with 1 star topper. Forget about batteries. This tree has a built-in 5-foot power cord and a simple on-off switch for easy use. It's designed for convenience. Its compact size makes it ideal for any space. You can place it on a countertop, table, desk, or fireplace mantle. Perfect for homes, offices, or classrooms, it brings holiday cheer wherever it goes. Overall dimensions, 8.5 dia x 15 h. What we like? This ceramic tree boasts a charming hand-painted finish, making it a unique addition to your holiday decor. It comes pre-lit with festive bulbs and star toppers, instantly brightening any space. If you're looking for a tabletop tree that's both eye-catching and easy to set up, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Love this cute little ceramic Christmas tree. Very easy to plug in and the bulbs all light up and very colorful. Makes a great accent piece in your home. Made very sturdy and lightweight. No battery required. Very functional and you will use it many years to come. The light bulb included is a clear night light bulb and lights it all up perfectly well, even the star has a soft glow. Well crafted, very nice lighting. Number 4. National Tree 2 feet Pre-lit Mini Majestic Fir. This mini Christmas tree features ultra-realistic and lifelike artificial branches. With 71 individually crafted branch tips, it is as charming as a real tree. The convenient branches and pre-strung lights allow for easy setup and disassembly. It's designed to make your holiday decorating simple and stress-free. Built to endure many holidays, it includes a red burlap base and 35 UL white lights. The lights remain lit even if a bulb burns out, and the needles are fire-resistant and non-allergenic. The tree stands 2 feet tall and 18 inches in diameter at the base. It's perfect for small spaces, adding holiday cheer without taking up too much room. National Tree Company is a USA-based, family-owned business established 60 years ago. Their customer service staff is ready to assist with any product questions or parts orders. What we like? This mini tree offers a natural, lifelike appearance with its realistic branches. Its simple setup and storage make it incredibly convenient. Built to last, it's designed to bring you joy for many holidays. If you appreciate a classic, hassle-free tree that will stand the test of time, you should consider it. What people say. The tree is the perfect size for my table. The lights are a nice touch. It's easy to set up. Number 3. National Tree 3 feet Snowy Concolor Fir Christmas Tree. This charming tree is perfect for adding Christmas spirit to any room. It features 130 individually crafted branch tips, making it look incredibly realistic. Set it up in your living room, bedroom, or office. This attractive tree is also suitable for covered outdoor locations, making it a versatile decoration. It comes with 50 battery-operated warm white LED lights. The integrated timer allows for 6 hours on and 18 hours off, making it convenient to use. Standing at 3 feet tall with a 20-inch diameter base, it's ideal for centerpieces, tabletops, mantles, or desks. It's the perfect size for any space. National Tree Company is a USA-based, family-owned business with 60 years of experience. Their friendly customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you may have about the product. What we like? This tree features battery-operated warm white LED lights, offering flexibility in placement. It's suitable for both indoor and covered outdoor use, expanding your decorating options. The integrated timer adds convenience, allowing you to set it and forget it. If you need a tree that offers versatility and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. The shape and size is perfect for our Christmas card display. The quality and lighting is absolutely amazing as well. The lights are battery operated, which means I can put it anywhere. It does indeed switch itself off after 6 hours, but this feature is easily overridden. You just push the button on the box. Number 2. National Tree 4 Feet Pre-Lit Mini Christmas Tree. This mini Christmas tree features ultra-realistic and lifelike branches. With 643 individually crafted branch tips, it is as charming as a real tree. Setting up and taking down this tree is simple. The lights come pre-strung on the branches, saving you time and effort. This tree is built to endure many holidays. It has a cloth base and 150 UL white lights that remain lit even if a bulb burns out. The needles are fire-resistant and non-allergenic. Standing 4 feet tall and 31 inches in diameter, it's the perfect size for a centerpiece, tabletop, shelf, or desk. National Tree Company is a USA-based, family-owned business with 60 years of experience. Their friendly customer service staff is ready to assist with any questions you may have about the product. What we like. This tree boasts ultra-realistic branches, creating a full and charming look. The pre-strung lights make setup and storage a breeze. Built to endure many holidays. If you are looking for a tree that combines beauty with convenience and durability, you should consider this. What people say. Once I got it out of the box, easy, I spent a total of about 1 hour working with individual branches to bring them down and arrange them to look as real as possible. This is a well-made product. Strong, well-balanced, the branches firmly attached and quite easy to shape, and the lights firmly intertwined with them. It's the nicest tree I've ever had. So full, and the variations in colors are make it look very real. Very easy to spread the branches and looks very well made. Number 1. National Tree 4-Foot Pre-Lit Dunhill Fir. This beautiful Dunhill fir tree stands at 4 feet tall and has a 35-inch base. It features hundreds of branch tips, designed to look and feel incredibly realistic. The tree comes pre-lit with 200 white lights, saving you time and effort. These lights are designed to stay lit even if a bulb burns out, ensuring a continuous glow throughout the season. Setting up this tree is a breeze with its hinged branches that drop down easily. After the holidays, it folds back up for quick and convenient storage. Crafted with high-quality, hypoallergenic, and fire-resistant materials, this tree is built to last. It includes a sturdy metal base, promising holiday cheer for years to come. National Tree Company believes in making holiday memories easy. Let it transform your home, allowing you to focus on creating those special moments with loved ones. What we like. This Dunhill fir tree features full-bodied branches for a lush appearance. It comes with pre-strung white lights, simplifying setup. The hinged branches make it easy to set up and store. If you like a full and classic look, and want an easy setup, you should consider it. What people say. This 4-foot Dunhill fir tree is nothing short of stunning. It arrived in 2 easy-to-assemble pieces that fit together seamlessly. The sturdy metal base is a huge plus, no more worrying about flimsy plastic components that break easily. As soon as I set it up, I was so impressed with how carefully the lights were wrapped around every branch, I almost regretted taking them off. This is a nice, plump artificial tree and does not look like a Charlie Brown tree. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.